and welcome, Leathercraft enthusiasts. Today, we are going to be talking about the do's and don'ts, especially for beginners in the craft. So whether you're here to learn something new or just refine your skill set, we're here to help. Let's get into it. First and foremost, do your research. Leathercraft is an art form with a rich history, and there's so much to learn. Check out tutorials, join forums, and read books. The more you know, the better you'll be prepared. Now, don't skip the planning stages. It's tempting to dive right in, but taking the time to plan your project will save you from costly mistakes. Sketch your design, measure twice, and cut once. You can even test designs in less expensive materials like the end of bolt fabric in cloth stores to help keep costs down. Do invest in quality tools. You don't have to break the bank, but good tools can make a world of difference. Start with the basics like a box cutter, stitching chisels, and a sturdy mallet. Talk to the staff in our local stores to get more information, or reach out to our customer service team via phone or email with any questions that you have. Don't rush your stitching. This is where patience is especially necessary. Take your time to ensure your stitches are even and tight. Loose stitches like on the left will leave your project misformed and prone to unraveling. It may seem slow at first, but with practice, you'll get much faster. Do practice on scrap leather before working on your main project. It's a great way to get comfortable with your tools and techniques without the pressure of making mistakes. Different angles, force, and tools will all impact your overall success. Don't forget to condition your leather. Leather is a natural material and needs care to stay supple and durable. Conditioning your leather will keep it looking great for years to come. As you can see in this example, the color of the leather actually changes when conditioned appropriately. So there you have it, some key do's and don'ts, especially in the beginning of your leathercraft journey. Remember, patience and practice are your two best friends. Practice often and stay patient. If you like this video and are looking forward to more educational content, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, happy crafting.